Today, we've got an exciting topic for all you ambitious teenagers out there. We're going to talk about the top 10 ways you can make money as a teen. Whether you're saving up for something special or just want some extra cash in your pocket, these ideas will help you get started on your money-making journey. Let's dive right in. Babysitting. Kicking off our list is a classic way to make money, babysitting. Many parents in your neighborhood or family friends might be looking for someone responsible and trustworthy to look after their kids. Babysitting not only helps you earn money, but also teaches valuable skills like responsibility and care. Dog walking and pet sitting. If you're an animal lover, this one's for you. Offer dog walking services to busy pet owners or provide pet sitting for those going on vacation. Spending time with cute furry friends and getting paid for it sounds like a win-win to me. Freelancing online. In the digital age, there's a world of opportunities online. Are you good at graphic design, writing, coding, or social media management? Sign up on freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to offer your skills to clients worldwide. Lawn mowing and gardening green thumbs, listen up. Help out your neighbors with their lawn mowing and gardening needs. It's a fantastic way to get some fresh air, stay active, and make money while beautifying your community. Tutoring. Are you acing your school subjects? Share your knowledge and help younger students through tutoring. Whether it's math, science, or language arts, your expertise can make a big difference while you earn some cash. Retail or food service. Many local stores, restaurants, and cafes hire teenagers part-time. Working in retail or food service not only gives you a steady income, but also enhances your communication and customer service skills. Lifeguarding. If you're a strong swimmer and have the necessary certifications, lifeguarding at your local pool or beach during summers can be both rewarding and financially beneficial. Car washing and detailing. Put your car cleaning skills to good use. Offer car washing and detailing services to friends, family, and neighbors. You'll be surprised how many people are willing to pay for a sparkling clean ride. Photography. Capture moments and memories with your photography talent. Offer your services for events like birthdays, family gatherings, or even small local gigs. Your artistic eye can turn into a lucrative side hustle. Selling crafts or art last, but not least, unleash your creativity. Make and sell handmade crafts, artwork, or custom items online or at local craft fairs. Turn your passion into profit. There you have it, the top 10 ways teenagers can make money. Whether you're into babysitting, freelancing, or unleashing your creativity through crafts, there's something for everyone. Just remember, balance your work with your studies and other commitments. Thanks for watching, and if you found these ideas helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Stay motivated and go out there to chase your dreams while making money along the way. Until next time, take care and happy earning.